If you want to learn how to select in Photopea quickly and accurately, this video is going to help a lot. Whether you're trying to cut out a person, isolate an object, remove a background, or make precise shape selections, Photopea gives you several easy tools that can save you a ton of time. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest selection methods, the smart selection tools, and the manual tools you can use when you need more control. If this video helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, let's talk about the fastest way to select objects or people automatically. If your image has a clear subject like a person, a product, or a main object, Photopea can often detect it for you in just a couple of clicks. One of the easiest options is Magic Cut. To use it, go to the Select menu at the top, then click Magic Cut. This opens a special workspace designed to help Photopea separate the subject from the background. It's especially useful when your subject stands out clearly from the rest of the image. From there, Photopea analyzes the image and helps create a selection based on what it thinks is the main subject. Another really helpful option is Select Subject. To find it, go up to Select and choose Subject. Photopea will automatically generate a selection outline around the primary subject in your image. This is one of the fastest ways to start if you want to remove a background or isolate a person. It may not always be perfect, but it gives you a strong starting point, and you can always refine the edges afterward. You can also use the Object Selection tool, which is another great automatic option. Press W on your keyboard, or click and hold the selection tool icon to reveal more options. Then choose Object Selection. After that, simply drag a box around the object you want to select. Photopea will try to snap the selection to the edges of the subject inside that box. This is a great method when you want a fast selection without spending too much time tracing manually. If the selection isn't perfect, you can adjust it later using the other selection tools. Now, let's move on to Smart Brush and color-based selections. These are perfect when you want to select parts of an image based on texture or color instead of relying on automatic subject detection. The Quick Selection tool is one of the most useful tools for this. It's also under the W shortcut group. Think of it like a brush for selection. You simply paint over the area you want to select, and Photopea expands the selection based on nearby color and texture. This works really well for subjects with clear edges like hair, clothing, or products with visible contrast from the background. If your image has a plain background or a solid block of color, the Magic Wand tool can be very useful. You can find it in the same tool group by pressing W and selecting Magic Wand. Then just click on a section of the image and Photopea will select all connected pixels of similar color. This is especially helpful for removing white backgrounds, green screens, or any flat colored area. If too much or too little gets selected, you can adjust the tolerance or click different parts of the image to refine the selection. For clean, simple backgrounds, this tool can be incredibly fast. Next, let's talk about basic shape selections and freehand selections. These tools are ideal when you need more control or when the subject has a simple geometric shape. The Rectangle Marquee and Ellipse Marquee tools are both found under the M shortcut group. With the Rectangle Marquee, you can click and drag to create a rectangular selection. If you hold Shift while dragging, you can force a perfect square. The Ellipse Marquee works the same way, but it creates circular or oval selections. Holding Shift while using it creates a perfect circle. These are very useful for cropping, isolating icons, or creating selections for simple design work. If you need to trace something manually, the Lasso tool is your next best option. Press L to access it. There are actually a few different lasso methods inside this tool group. The Freehand Lasso lets you draw a selection freely by hand, which is useful when you need full control. The Polygonal Lasso is great for straight edges. You click from point to build a selection, making it perfect for buildings, signs, sharp objects, or any subject with angular edges. Then there's the Magnetic Lasso, which tries to snap to high contrast edges as you move along the subject. This is especially helpful when your subject stands out clearly from the background, because Photopea will try to follow the edge automatically while you trace. As you practice these tools, the key is to choose the selection method that matches the image. If the subject is clear and separate, use Select Subject, Magic Cut, or Object Selection. If you're working with color-based areas, use Quick Selection or Magic Wand. If you need a basic shape, use the Marquee tools. And if you need precision or manual control, use the Lasso tools. The more you use them, the faster you'll get at picking the right one for the job. One more useful tip: after making a selection, you can usually refine it further if needed. That means you can improve the edges, add more to the selection, or remove areas that were accidentally included. So don't worry if your first selection isn't perfect. In Photopea, selections are flexible, and you can always adjust them until they look right. So that's how to select in Photopea using automatic tools, color-based tools, shape tools, and freehand selection tools. Once you know these basics, you'll be able to edit photos much more efficiently and create cleaner, more professional results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.